Hey, how are ya? Yeah, I've got dinner. Work was good, the usual. I helped, I safetied, I conquered. Yeah, alright. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, love ya.
To making time for one another.
A daytime date. How quaint.
I think there's a certain romance to it. I mean, at least we can see each other's faces.
Oh, I'm much more handsome at dusk. And at night it gets even better. And if you get a bag over my head... Can I get you some pudding?
Mr. Cruikshank to room 7, please.
How many times do I have to say it? It's not gonna work.
Quinn, come on, say something. Say something, anything. Just say one thing. What does it mean to really love someone? Have I missed my chance? Am I just another woman left to the perils of time and cellulite? I'm going to die alone if I keep turning away men for their small little quirks. At the end of the day, he doesn't need me. He'll be loved by whatever family that's taken him in. Happy at last.
My life is completely fucked.
$20 bob on his yours, I reckon. He's not in that great a shape. Be what?
£10, I'll take it now.
Go on then.